Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. This video is focused on my walking robot based on the TXT controller, programmed in Python for walking, grabbing images using OpenCV and guarding the voltage on the battery pack. And using OpenCV I do it for color separation with these objects. And last time I had an extensive test for walking, and one of the things that occurred was some gearing problem right here. So that is where I will start to see if that's still the case. And to check if it's still the case, I will have to power up the interface and connect to it using my laptop. So that means that I will have to go to screencast, which is up next. So screencast, one terminal window for the source code, one terminal window for execution, RoboPro for testing the voltage, which is via this one, and for right this one. Sounds, well, it doesn't sound good, but it looks good. And I have to close this window in order to run in here. And this one is for displaying images taken by this camera. And if you've never watched this series, I'm using two battery packs because I am using not just the controller but also 4 motors, 2 for each side. Anyway, enough talking, let's run, or walk rather. See how that works out. And then it is one of the gears which is not visible from the camera. But to me it is to see if it works the same way as last time. Free running somehow. Oh, of course, I forget that I have to give a speed. And it says, oh, that is something I haven't noticed for a long time. So why is the camera not working suddenly? Maybe this is working out. Network error, not good. Unexpected things happening all the time. Alright, let's hope so. And now it works out. And this is what I'm looking at. And once again, how do I picture this nicely? There's a gear down there that is just running freely, which is not okay. So I have to check out that gear to see why it runs freely. Alright, so to check how and why this gear here is going wrong, let us, yep, that's what I want. And wait for it. That looks all nice. I give the speed and I lift it up, and I have to give it resistance somehow. And for some reason there's no problem now. So that's weird. Alright, I do it again. And the way I'm doing it now is that I hold back the gear that I suspect. So, giving it the speed again, lifting it and holding this gear. So, what's going to happen? So far, nothing at all. Okay, this is strange, it doesn't even run. So I'm going back in time. Okay, stop it, because it should run. What I can also do is put it like here and see whatever this gear does. And I have a network error. Never nice when you want to try something and you get errors, but different errors than you want. Once again. Okay, and that is a problem. No, it's not a problem. I know what the problem is now. Yeah. Right now I know what the problem is. This gear isn't entirely fit to this gear. So they should be completely intertwined or touching each other, and I can see that they are not. So there's a distance problem between this gear and this one. This one and this one, and that's a problem. But how to fix it? In a fixed frame like this. That's a challenge. But before I go to the possible solution of the gears, let's check pictures. So I want to see this one. Oh, that's not what I expected to see. Oh, which is logical, by the way, because the latest images are from this position of the whole thing. So I need to go to the former run, which is here, and then this one. Which is also different. So I have to go further back in time, which is right here then. Now see, that's something I can use. It's not entirely what I anticipated, but let's take this one. And that is not as nice as I had hoped. I can see which is which, because this is the big surface, this is the side with here the leg, or whatever you call it. It's not satisfactory. No, not at all. I want this whole thing being red and the rest black. Disappointment. So, after those images, let's take a look at this gear. Why is there a distance? Oh, that is why. Look at this flexibility. That is certainly not what I like. That explains a lot, but the big question, or the big answer, is how to fix it. Here there's no question, because this is fixed and this is fixed. But this one, that's a good one. And that will then, how is it fixed here? Because here the problem doesn't play or act up. No, it's solely on this side. I have to find a mechanical solution, a structural solution, and that is both figuratively and literally a structural solution. And that solution has to wait for another time. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments or suggestions under this video. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And if you want to support me, please do so via PayPal or becoming a patron. You can becoming a patron from $2 per month and up, of course. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, take care, have a great day, bye.